Arizona QSO party, Kilo 8 Tango Echo, stroke 7. November, India Echo, number 636, Alpha Zulu, November, Victor Oscar.
Okay. So we're monitoring a station partaking in the Arizona QSO party. Point of this video is just to show the new magnetic loop antenna. I'm going to step out in the front yard here for a minute just to show that. Okay, so here it is set up in the front yard. Don't mind the Halloween decorations. Halloween 2016 coming up at the end of the month here. But what we have here is about a 38-inch diameter loop. The outer loop made up of LMR 400, and the driven loop at the top there is RG8X. And an interesting connection here. I've connected the center conductor with the alligator clip to the shield on the other side of that loop, and it's fed into the pipe with this hole right here. And of course that coax runs all the way down behind the capacitor box there and out into my feed line, or the continuation of my feed line here. The capacitor, which is a 282 2006 MFJ capacitor with a range of about 12 to 313 picofarads, does a pretty good job, but I'm minimized to 5 watts. And of course I've got my knob down here to tune as needed. And of course, as you see on both ends of the outer loop, I've got PL259s, silver plated, and seems to do a pretty fantastic job at QRP. So let's go back into the shack and see if we can make contact. Okay, so I've turned the volume down a little bit before I try to make contact here. He's still coming in pretty well. But I'm here in the Houston, Texas area. And again, I'm running 5 watts with this FT450. With that antenna, I cannot run more than 5 watts with that capacitor, or we'll have problems. By the way, the MFJ IntelliTuner up top there is not connected, and I'm directly connected with that coax to the back of the rig. So let's see if we can make contact here. Turn it up where you can hear it. Mic in hand. Kilo Golf 5 Delta Uniform Sierra.
Kilo Golf 5 Delta Uniform Sierra, number 641, Alpha Zulu, November, Victor Oscar.
QSL on the 641. You're a good 5'8" here into the Houston, Texas area, so I'd be Tango X-Ray, Southeast Texas. The name is Brian. I'm Bravo Romeo India Alpha November. I'm doing a short video. I'm actually talking to you through a magnetic loop antenna in the front yard running 5 watts. QSL? Negative. Let me make that number 3. Alright, so that was my third contact in this weekend contest. I made a couple yesterday, and I wanted to make sure he got that number. But, as you can see, he heard me. It is a compromised antenna, but 5 watts, Arizona. You really can't beat it when you're when you're regulated or restricted from having full-size antennas. This thing really does a phenomenal job, and as you saw, it's completely collapsible. I can take it apart, put it in a bag, and carry it off with me to different destinations. So all in all, I'm happy with it. 7-3, everybody.